Hello, today I want to show you how I restored this wee wagon. I buy 7 for £13, so about £2 for one. Was not very good condition, but I fixed all wheels, new wheels, and I removed dirt and everything, so I show how I wash, and it's very satisfying job. I enjoy watching. Broken wheels, so first thing I remove wheels. Time to wash. Soft toothbrush, some hand wash soap with bad water, water must be cold so you don't leave fingerprints. Soft brush, very good, can be medium, any toothbrush, and you just wash every single part. Remove dirt, bad smell, some grease. Leave to dry. I see also some paint, old paint, so I try to remove. I use isopropyl alcohol 99%. It must be acrylic paint. Here you go, like new. 2mm and 3mm I need. Now just we bet 3mm. I use these metal wheels. I very like them. They are with 3 holes, full metal, and 4 brass I need. Looks like new. I am very happy. I'm looking forward to fix all of them. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave comments below. Thank you.